Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best succulents for pots. Watch till the end to find our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with Aloe Vera. Aloe is an incredible indoor and outdoor succulent that offers both decorative and medicinal properties to your space. Aloe sap is known to heal sunburn, treat wounds, and remove harmful pollutants from the air. When grown outdoors, aloes may produce yellow, pink, or orange tubular flowers that improve the quality of your garden during summer and spring. Its offsets can grow into a cluster, making it an excellent choice for filling your pot with a thriving colony of plants. Aloe is easy to grow and maintain and does not require much watering, making it suitable for growing in pots. However, aloe should be handled carefully because it has sharp teeth along its leaf edges that can cut you. Lithops, living stones. Another unique succulent that is perfect for your space is Lithops. This plant brings out a natural environment to your space by mimicking the appearance of pebbles. These plants have a pair of stemless leaves that rarely require water and therefore can survive in minimal water conditions. Living stones feature colors ranging from pale beige to olive green and blue-gray, complemented by white or yellow daisy-like flowers that enhance the aesthetic appeal of your space. To get the best out of this plant's beautiful flowers, apply half-strength cactus fertilizer once every spring. Hens-and-chicks. Hens-and-chicks is another incredible succulent for pots. These plants have unique tiny spheres covered in cobweb-like threads and rosettes that elevate the natural aura indoors. Depending on the season and species, hens and chicks may look greener and turn pink or red, giving your space a distinctive and colorful look. Hens and chicks are one of the most low-majority succulents and thrive in drought conditions. Some species of hens and chicks are tolerant to sub-freezing temperatures and, therefore, can withstand outdoor temperatures during winter. The plant thrives well in well-drained soil and can be easily propagated from one pot to another. Paddle plant. The paddle plant has an almost underwater coral look with cascading blue-green sedums and starfish-like chalk dudleya that bring a unique beach theme to your indoor space. Exposing the paddle to sunlight turns its leaves from pink to deep red, which improves the aesthetic property of your space. The plant does well in pots because its water requirement is moderate. Which is the best? Aloe Vera is the best succulent to consider. Unlike most succulents, it provides both aesthetic and medicinal properties to your space. Aloe is excellent at absorbing air pollutants, therefore improving the quality of air indoors. In addition, it is easy to grow and maintain. It can be planted in pots outdoors and indoors, making it a suitable succulent for your spaces. Thanks for watching.